What's the matter, Gypsy? What are the babies doing? Look at the babies. Oh, we have one trying. That's little Mojo trying to get out. Oh, there they go. Hello, babies. Hello, babies. I suppose what we have here is a Mexican standoff because these are Chihuahuas.
Rebecca Black's Friday. She started telling us the days of the week like we didn't already know.
That's old news, Christine.
I know, but I never actually watched it. I
Oh.
heard about it and I didn't watch it.
I'm doing video of the puppies over here. That's it? You guys are just going to sit there at the gate? This is riveting video footage, guys. Come on. Give the babies, Gypsy. Give them kisses. They know there's a weakness in this force field. They breached it this morning. They're like the raptors in Jurassic Park. They're systematically testing the fence. Soon they'll be free, and we'll be overwhelmed by the immenseness of the puppies. And then what will we do? What will we do? You gonna tell him, Gypsy? Mojo! Hello, Mojo! There he is.